Yes. Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of mathematics for class 7th. And today I will explain the chapter exponents for class 7th, where we will study the concept of base and exponent and then the laws of exponents. And it is the third video for this week where we have to study exponents. So let's start now. See, first the basic terms we have to see that the exponents. We can understand like this point that exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. How many times a number is multiplied by itself? It shows this only. So you can see it like this. It is written as a small number to the above right side of the base number. Downside is the base number and the exponent is written at the above right side corner. You can see in this example here 5 to the power 3. This number is here 5 is the base. In this number 5 is base and 3 is exponent. So if it has 3 is the exponent, then the number 5 will multiply with itself. It will be multiplied with itself only 3 times. Then the product will come 125. Similarly, you can do this also. If 4 is the number or 9 square you are taking, then the result will come 9 into 9. Because it has the power 2, 9 square, then the product will come 9 into 9. Here 2 is the exponent. Here 2 is exponent and this 9 is base. Okay students, same way in this example 5 is base and 3 is exponent. Now next we have to understand what is exponential form. Just we have seen in previous example, if the number, suppose that this written 2 by 3 to the power 5. So this is exponential form number only. Okay, if the number is written only 5 square. Okay, so that means this is exponential form or power notation. Here 5 is base. This 5 you will say base and this 2 is the exponent. We can say this 2 is exponent. Okay, or we can say it is power also. And the way of representing this way, when we are representing any number, like this 5 square, so this way when we are representing the number, so this form is known as the exponential form. Okay, next you see in this example only you can see this a by b into a by b into a by b. So this number is multiplying here. You may see how many times a by b into a by b into a by b. This number multiplies 3 times. Then the product you will get that the same base raised to the power 3 because you have multiplied 3 times. Okay, so that's why the power is 3. And this way the RHS result a by b raised to the power 3, that number is called exponential form, a by b raised to the power 3. Okay students, now see the laws of exponent. Here first law I have given x by y to the power m into x by y to the power n equals to x by y raised to the power m plus n. That means here you can see in the LHS side x by y and x by y, the bases are same and the powers you can see it is different or same, doesn't matter. Here m and n. The thing is that if you are multiplying two exponential number and their base is same, then in the result you will write the same base and the exponents you will add m plus n. Same, suppose that you are doing that 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 6. So then this will give the result because 5 is the base, common base. Then you will write 5 to the power 3 plus 6. So that will be equal to 5 to the power 9. Okay. 3 plus 6 is 9. That will give the result 5 to the power 9. Okay students. Now this example I have given here. Now you see this one. X by y to the power m divided by x by y to the power n equals to x by y raised to the power m minus n. That means here also the two exponential number are divided, but the base is same in both the numbers. There is common base. So in this case, when there is the common base and you are dividing the numbers, then in the result you will write the same base and the exponents will be subtracted, m minus n. For example, we can see this. Suppose that this is given 2 by 7 to the power 5 divided by, suppose that here only, divided by 2 by 5 to the power, if I am giving here 4. So then this result will be equal to 2 by 5 to the power 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. That means the exponent will be subtracted. So ultimately result you will get, it is 2 by 5 to the power 1. Okay students, what result you will get? The result you will get this 2 by 5 to the power 1. Exponent will be subtracted. Next formula is x by y raised to the power 0. So that means when the power is 0 on any base, then the result will come 1. Suppose that this number only you can take 5 by 13 raised to the power 0, that the product will give, product you will get 1 only. Similarly, if you are getting 99, this is very large number only, and 99 above power you are giving 0. So 99 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. If number is negative, minus 5 raised to the power 0, that is also equals to 1. The base is any rational number, negative or positive, any number. Power is 0, then the result is 1. Now we have to understand this fourth formula, that power upon power. When a by b, you can see here a by b is base. In this example, this formula, a by b is base and m is the power, and above that one more power n is given. So what will happen here? The powers will multiply. Power upon power, they are multiplying with each other. Then you will get the result a by b raised to the power m into n. What you will get? M into n. The base will be same only, the exponents will multiply. For example, if you write that 2 by 5 to the power 3, and if I am giving here one more bracket, larger bracket, and above that power I am giving here, suppose that here 4, then result you will get what? 2 by 5 to the power 3 into 4. These 3 and 4 will multiply. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means 2 by 5 raised to the power 12 it is. Okay, 2 by 5 raised to the power 12. Okay students. So this formula you will learn. Now the next law of exponent is fifth number, you see. It is the next law of exponent, that a by b raised to the power minus m is equals to b by a raised to the power plus m. So what we are understanding from here students, that when you will change the sign of the exponent, then you have to reciprocal the base. Here the a by b is the base, a by b on the LHS side, a by b raised to the power minus m is power. On RHS side, this b by a is the base. That means we have done the reciprocal of base. Reciprocal of a by b is b by a, and the exponent will be now plus m. This you have to see now. For example, we can do here, suppose that I am taking this number 5 by 9, okay, and above power is minus 2. 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2, this is equal to 9 by 5 raised to the power plus 2. Okay, if you have reciprocal the base, 5 by 9 reciprocal is 9 by 5, then the power of sign, then the sign of power will be changed, that you have to write here plus 2, here it is minus 2 power, then here you will change the sign to plus 2. So now the result will be what? 9 square by 5 square, because this 2 power will come on both the number, numerators and denominator. So it will come 9 square by 5 square means 81 by 25. Okay students. Next you see that a by b raised to the power m, that means it is the common power of numerator and denominator. Just now last example we have seen, at the last steps we have done this only, that a by b raised to the power plus m, then this m is the common power of numerator and denominator here. So this power you will take on this a also and b also. So the result is 8a to the power m by b to the power m. You can see that this is the result here. Okay, that we can say that a by b a raised to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. For example, we can show that you see 5 by 7 whole square is equals to 5 square by 7 square. Then this we can, this 2 power will come on 5 and 7 both. Then you will write equals to, it is 5 square by 7 square means 5 into 5 by 7 into 7. This we will write, students. So this will be equal to 25 by 49. 25 by 49. 5 square is 25 and 7 square is 49. Okay. Then now we have to evaluate this question based on this formula only. Minus 2 by 7 to the power 3. So how you will evaluate this? You have to understand this. In this solution, see that how you will evaluate this. That minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Then 3 power you will take on both minus 2 and 7. So this you will get that minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. The power exponent is saying that how many times the base will be multiplied. So the denominator, this 3 power you will take on the denominator 7 also. So that will be 7 into 7 into 7. So result is 343 at the denominator. The denominator's product we have to write at the denominator, and the numerator's product you have to write in the numerator, that is minus 8. Okay students. So this way you can solve any, if number is given 5 by 2 to the power 3, then you will take that 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. That much time you will multiply 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. This also you can do, or you can take this 3 power on both 5 and 2, because this is the common power here. Next, this 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 to the power minus 1. So first evaluate the bracket, that what is the result of this bracket. First evaluate this. So in which way you will solve this? You see that the result is, we have 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 equals to minus 1. This we have to solve, first step. Then we will write that find the LCM of these denominators 8 and 9. Here the denominators are 8 and 9. So find the LCM, it is 72. Now you will see that is 8 into 9 times this 72 will come here. Then this 9 into this one numerator, that will be 9. Then again this 9 into 8 times this denominator, LCM will come. Then 8 into 1. So result is 9 minus 8. Result what you will get? 9 minus 8 by 72 raised to the power minus 1. So that means it is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1 by 72 to the power minus 1. Okay. So now you will change the exponent sign minus 1 to plus 1 here. The power sign you will change in this step. Minus 1 to plus 1. Then the base you will reciprocal, that is now at the reciprocal of 1 by 72 is 72 by 1. This I have written here, 72 by 1 raised to the power 1. So this is equal to what? 72. Okay students. So this way you can solve the questions. Now yes, your homework will be that from R.S. Agarwal book, chapter 5, Exponents, solve exercise 5C, question number 13 to 21, and revise this whole chapter Exponents. So thank you all of you now.